Hey, before you get lost in the VPN jungle, smash that link in the description for a sweet discount on your next VPN. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Alright, let's talk VPNs. Today, it's NordVPN versus SurfEasy VPN. It's like Batman versus Robin, if Robin was still figuring out how to use his utility belt. First up, NordVPN. This one's the big boss. Think worldwide servers, beefy security speeds that'll make your internet sprint like it's late for a meeting. NordVPN has over 6,000 servers in 60 countries. That's a lot of options. Want to watch Netflix in Japan while chilling in your pajamas in Ohio? No problem. Plus, NordVPN throws in goodies like double encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and even a kill switch, so if your connection drops, your secrets don't spill. It's basically the Fort Knox of VPNs, but with a cooler logo. Now, SurfEasy. This one's more like your friendly neighborhood VPN. It's simple, easy to use, and you can get started in about 2 clicks. But it's got fewer servers, around 2,000 in 30 countries. Not bad, but you might not find that ultra-rare server in Timbuktu. Security-wise, SurfEasy covers the basics: bank-grade encryption and a no-logs policy. But it's missing a few of Nord's fancy features, like double VPN split tunneling. It's like ordering a burger and fries but skipping the milkshake. Price? SurfEasy's usually a bit cheaper, but NordVPN often runs killer deals, like the one in the description below. So which one should you pick? If you want power speed and all the bells and whistles, NordVPN's your guy. If you just want to keep things simple and secure, SurfEasy does the job. Either way, don't forget to click that link in the description for your special offer. Your privacy and your streaming habits will thank you. Catch you next time.